Not sure how to use your Kenwood AC Remote? Model number KKG27A-C1. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The red on-off button powers your Kenwood AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. Air direction controls let you guide the airflow exactly where you want it. Use the vertical swing button to move the louvers up and down, and the horizontal swing button to adjust them left and right. Press the Health button to activate the Plasma Cluster Ion or Air Purification feature. This function releases ions to reduce airborne bacteria, viruses, and odors, improving overall indoor air quality. The up and down buttons let you control how cool or warm your room feels. Press up arrow to raise the temperature, or down arrow to lower it, 1 degree at a time. Press the Mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need. Cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature. Perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling. Great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling. Ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode. It warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode. The AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating, based on room temperature. Fan speed lets you control how strong the air blows. Press it to cycle through low, medium, high, or auto fan levels. Whether you want a soft breeze or powerful cooling, it's just one click away. Press the display button to turn the indoor unit's indicator lights or remote screen display on or off. This feature helps reduce brightness in dark rooms and provides a more comfortable sleeping environment. The timer button allows you to set your AC to turn on or off automatically at a specified time. Change the time using the temperature up or down buttons, and the unit will follow the schedule for comfort and energy efficiency. Sleep mode is designed for a restful night. When activated, it slowly adjusts the temperature to keep you comfortable while saving energy. No chills, no wake-ups, just smarter cooling while you sleep. Press the Clean button to start the automatic cleaning cycle of the indoor unit. This function removes moisture and dust from the coils, helping prevent mold growth and keeping the air fresh. Press and hold the Lock button to prevent accidental changes to your settings. This feature disables all other remote buttons until you press and hold Lock again to unlock the controls. Press the Quiet button to lower the fan speed and minimize operating noise. This mode provides a calmer, quieter environment ideal for nighttime or when you need minimal disturbance. If your Kenwood AC Remote isn't working properly, the Reset button can restore it to factory settings. Just press the Reset pinhole, usually with a pin or paperclip, and the remote will reboot, clearing any errors or glitches. Press and hold the Temperature Down arrow button and the Mode button together for about 3 to 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your Kenwood AC Remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.